On Friday morning, the Bronx's senior residents took to the rotunda of Borough Hall to protest budget cuts and demand improvements to their quality of living. Most recently, Mayor Eric Adams announced a budget cut of $7 million to older adult facilities, which would only exacerbate the current challenges that seniors are facing. At the moment, some of the most pressing issues include lack of AC, heating, less than stellar meals, and even social isolation.
It's a disgrace that in the winter you have no heat. It's a disgrace that the food that we're giving you is not healthy.
In response to this cut, the New York City Council has proposed a budget response that would invest over $50 million into these facilities, of which the Bronx houses 58.
Our budget is a reflection of our blueprint and of our priorities. We cannot say we care about older adults who are our mothers and fathers and grandparents without providing them with sufficient support in a budget.
Aside from repairing physical damage within these centers, Live On New York, a nonprofit working toward improving the living quarters of senior citizens, is asking for $12 million for case management through their social work program, allowing homebound seniors to remain in their homes to reduce social isolation, a damaging epidemic in itself.
So that's a $20 million ask, which is, frankly, a drop in the bucket for New York City's entire budget.
There are no clear answers at the moment, but budget negotiations will continue until June. Reporting for BronxNet, Brittany Schuyler.